If you're following a recipe and your food still isn't coming out how you think, it doesn't necessarily mean you did something wrong. Sometimes it does, often it does. People make mistakes all the time, including myself. Recipes are kind of written like they're universal, like if you follow every step, it'll be the same every single time, but that's not exactly how cooking works. Your ingredients are different, your technique is different, your approach is different, your knives are different, your oven is different, your environment is different, even your taste is different. So like there's a lot of variables that go into something that a recipe is working against. So when you follow something step by step without taking into account all of those variables, you're not really cooking, you're copying, and copying breaks down the second something isn't identical, which it never is. And this is why I think people get frustrated a lot. I see this a lot in comment sections of recipe blogs. Like, I followed this exactly. I followed this recipe exactly, and it did not work. 0 stars. Because a recipe can't account for all of these variables that can happen. In kitchens, recipes are more like frameworks than they're more like starting points. They're not necessarily rules. There are rules, but a recipe is not exactly a rule. But we taste constantly, we adjust constantly, we're loyal to the result, not necessarily the recipe. With pastry, it's less about like strict rules than it is about ratios. So like once you know how ingredients work and how they function together, then you can start adjusting things without the whole recipe falling apart. So you don't really get like boxed in. The recipe will give you a structure. And that's the difference between following a recipe and actually cooking.